Hey guys, this is a quick setup video for your computer. So first of all, you guys have to plug this in, okay? Once you guys have this, and this right here, alright, this will go into your computer and this is to power it up. On the left hand side, you guys will see where to plug it in. So it's right here on the left hand side, top side. Once you guys do that, plug in some electricity, and right here will be your power button, which is this circular thing right here. So to turn it on, just right here on the top side, you guys can just press down on it, don't hold on it. As long as you guys press on it, it's supposed to turn on. Then we're gonna take you throughout the whole setup process. You will need internet, Wi-Fi in order to do this whole setup process, as always. And it's gonna ask us some basic stuff and we can get started with the whole thing. It will take a little bit in order for it to load. So the very first screen we should see is this, and then we might get Cortana talking to us and asking us what we want to set up. However, you guys can choose whatever you guys want from the list. So I'm going to choose US, but it can be any country. Then we're going to go into yes. So just click on yes, and this will take some time. As I mentioned, you guys do need Wi-Fi.
US. Want to stick with that?
So we're going to stick with US. I'm going to say yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
No. So a lot of it you guys can set up with your voice. Other things you guys can't.
That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible.
So I'm going to choose this one right here. Okay. And I'm going to go into connect. This is your Wi-Fi. So whatever Wi-Fi you guys have, there you go.
Now type your credentials.
Once you guys put in your password, just go into next, which is down here below.
Now we have some important setup to do.
Okay, next time we just have to press on accept. So that's the next thing to do. Then you just have to wait a minute. It's going to load up the next setting.
Now let us know if this computer is owned by your work or school, or if it's yours. We'll set it up accordingly.
So this really depends on what you guys are setting up for. Most likely you guys are setting up for personal. Even if you guys are in an organization, don't worry about it. You guys can still set up as personal or even change this up later on. However, let's just go into personal because that's most of you. Hit next.
Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in.
So at this point, if you guys don't have a Hotmail account, don't worry about it. You guys can just create one. Alright, so create account is right here. You guys can just click on there. Or you guys can just look on offline account, which is no big deal. You guys just have to set up everything a little bit more. If you guys do this, you guys have a Hotmail account, it's just gonna make everything sync up a little bit better, but you guys don't need to. So let me just show you offline account. So we can set all this up later on. Don't worry about it. You guys can still go offline for now and then just set up your Outlook and everything else. Let's just go on no.
Type what you want to name your account.
This really depends on you guys. You guys can name it whatever you like. I'm gonna call it Tech and Design. Same thing as this YouTube channel. We're gonna go right here on next.
Okay, now type a password for your account.
Password can be anything really. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't do that type of password.
And one more time to make sure we've got it right.
Do it again. It really depends how much security you guys want.
Questions to help you reset your password if you forget it. Choose the first question and type your answer.
I'm gonna go tech. So choose any questions you guys like.
Same drill.
And then type in your well, not your password, but your answer to your question. So it should be something that you guys remember.
Question, type the answer, and you're good to go.
So we're gonna select this question. We're gonna go tech. We're gonna go next. These are your own personal answers. Do not copy what I'm doing.
To unlock your PC with just your fingerprint. It's not only faster, it's more secure than a password. Want to set that up now?
Yes. So, right now if you guys want to set that up, it's down here below. You guys will see the fingerprints.
Teach your PC to read your fingerprints.
So once you show you where the fingerprint sensor is, it's right here. Okay, bottom left, well, right hand side. You guys will see this, and just hold your finger on it and the sensoring will start. So we are gonna do that a couple times until this gets filled in with blue. That means it has scanned your fingerprint. If it doesn't work, all right, it's okay. Your hands, you might have to wash them. Maybe you put some hand lotion, that does get in the way. just going next for now. And then let's just try to keep that still, okay?
Now, just in case, go ahead and set up a pin for backup purposes.
So again, we're gonna set up a pin. It can be anything you guys want. Once you guys do that,
Hey,
just
look,
click on next,
that's me,
and here we
Cortana.
go.
Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work?
Yes. Accept. Or click on accept right here if it's lagging too much. And there we go.
Windows can save your spot in apps, files, and what.
I'm just gonna click yes for
These
now.
are the settings
It's just
Microsoft
the easiest thing
recommends.
to do.
Go ahead and review them and select accept when you're ready.
So this is more for your privacy settings, guys, because you guys will see location and all that stuff. It's good to give out your information, but only up to a certain extent. So it's really up to you guys what you guys want to put yes, what you guys want to put no, and you guys don't have to put yes for everything, by the way. I'm just gonna go into accept for now.
Your device manufacturer would like your contact info to send you updates and such.
We're just gonna put tech. We're gonna go into United States. Well, it depends where you guys are at. You guys can put anything at this point. It depends where you guys are located. Once you guys do that, just hit next again, and you guys will see this. You guys can uncheck anything you guys don't want, and we're just gonna go next. Once again, it did ask us for an email. You guys do not need to put that. However, I do recommend it.
A few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
After a little bit, you guys should see this. So the entire process shouldn't have taken you guys more than 30 minutes. And that's it. Anyways, right here, what you guys have is your welcome screen. Obviously, this is just Explorer. You guys can download at this point in time Google Chrome or anything else you guys need. Right down here, just to show you, click there. This will get you started with basically everything. Anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.